This is Dryslwyn Castle in the middle of the Tywi Valley, halfway between Llandilo and Carmarthen. Unlike most of the largest castles in Wales, like Carnarvon and Cydweli, it wasn't built by English kings or Norman barons to keep down the local people, but by native Welsh rulers to defend their lands against invaders. It was probably built by Rhys Grug, one of the sons of Lord Rhys, or Rhys ap Gruffydd, the ruler of Deheubarth, in the 2020s. The Deheubarth included most of southwest Wales. It was finally captured by the English king Edward I in 1287. It was captured by Owain Glyndŵr in 1403. When the English eventually got it back, they decommissioned it by blocking various access routes and walling up the gatehouse. At one point, the castle had a medieval walled village attached to it. But by the late medieval period, it had become an ivy-covered ruin. Today, it provides commanding views over the Tywi Valley, which today, sadly, is showing the effects of unseasonal drought and looks more yellow than a verdant green.